The name of our skit is called What is a Mom? Now I know we all love our moms, but sometimes our moms could, get under our skin. But at the end of the day, we all know that she does it out of love. So our skit is basically what us kids go through with our moms. And here we go. So the question is, what is a mom? A mom is someone who takes care of you when you're sick.
Mom! Please someone. Mom! Mom, I'm sick. I'm sick. Henry!
A mom is someone who makes your favorite meal.
I'm hungry. Mom! Oh, Mom! Ciara? Yes, son. Can you make me some food, please? Wait, I'm hungry. Say, Mom, you're not eating. I'm going to eat a PT. I'm eating. You're lose weight. I'm ready, Mom. Come on. Oh, son. How do I find love? They go for a come on. I can make it. I saw.
A mom is someone who tells you to clean, even when it's already clean.
Oh yes, level 4. Boom. Jason. Jason. Oh, Jason. Oh, mga full. Get away, you messed up. Oh my God, yeah, I did last night. I don't know if I eat wow, spoon. I don't know Jason. Oh,
A mom is someone who makes sure you do your homework.
So come on, Chris, I made a fight. Chris! Oh, what made I want to fight?
Right here. My math homework.
Oh, my math homework and I Facebook.
No, not Facebook.
Facebook. For the break of your power. Come on, fight. Come on, I subscribe. Okay, bye-bye. But maybe I'm not going to have Facebook.
A mom is someone who makes you feel better when you get hurt.
Mom, I hurt my knee. Fuck you, if I say my owner, I don't ever. Before I survive. Fuck you, forward, come on.
Mom is someone you can ask for money.
Mom! Mom!
Nice.
I need some gas. Oh, stupid. If I go food if I yesterday, it's already empty now. Oh. Yeah. Thank you. Uma! Oh, mas eu cooperou, eu vou cooperar.
A mom is someone who loves to call your name for no reason.
Chris!
Okay.
Chris!
Yes.
Chris! Chris!
Yes.
Oh, man, oh, Nick. What? Chris! Chris!
Yes.
Chris!
Yes.
Chris! Olha o fuego! tu restes. Ok, alors au revoir.
A mom is someone who worries and calls you every 20 minutes when you're not home.
Como te cora. Te como. Hello? Hello? Kathy, Ma, I'm at church. Oh, you're late. Como te cora. Ashley, yes, okay, umagaw na nga, buddy. No, no, not yet. I reckon you might. I don't know, we're still doing haka. Okay. Hello? I'm sorry, I'm on a fight, but...
Someone who can still tell you what to do no matter how old you get.
Hey, you ready to go to the club, man? You already know, man. About to get on it, man. Mom. We're gonna go to the party. So we'll be back. Party. I'm going to the party at the college.
Nga paki, malolo for fefeao nga ngere for mafkanga kinga, refer pingo fefeao. Hey no.
Man, you can't tell us what to do. I'm 24 years old. I'm 35.
A mom is someone who will always love you no matter how old you get, no matter how far you go, and no matter what you do, she'll always be there no matter what.
Ashley. Cece.
Yeah.
Chris. Present. Charlotte.
Amen.
What's your fun, Navi? Vaya to. Ol mafuana rina o te nia to mo te fasi to. Ono lo fa ya o mana o ini ya to le. Wai no, o te te lo fa mami ya to o to. Ya.
Iya.